Affiliate marketing is a lucrative strategy where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every purchase made through your unique affiliate link. It's appealing due to its low entry barrier and potential for passive income. Viewers might consider launching an affiliate campaign to monetize their online presence, from blogs to social media platforms. Through affiliate marketing, you can create a revenue stream that aligns with your content and adds value to your audience, meanwhile enhancing your digital entrepreneurship journey. This approach not only helps in building trusted relationships with your followers, but also supports your financial goals by converting your recommendations into earnings. Selecting the right affiliate program is critical for ensuring your affiliate marketing efforts are successful. It's essential to choose programs that align well with your content and resonate with your audience's interests. Consider the commission rates offered. Higher rates can lead to more earnings per conversion. Equally important is product relevance. Promoting products that your audience finds useful or intriguing enhances engagement and trust. Lastly, assess the credibility of the program. A reputable affiliate program not only ensures you are recommending quality products, but also that you will be reliably compensated for your promotional efforts. Affiliate platforms offer several key features essential for managing and maximizing your marketing campaigns. Affiliate links are your staple tool, personalized to track the sales sourced from your promotional efforts. Equally vital is the platform's tracking capability, which monitors clicks and conversions, providing real-time insights into campaign performance. Reporting tools compile this data into comprehensible reports, helping you understand what strategies work and which areas need improvement. Navigating these platforms efficiently involves utilizing these resources to refine your approach, ensuring you optimize your efforts and enhance your outcomes consistently. Creating and customizing affiliate links is a fundamental aspect of affiliate marketing. These links are unique to each affiliate and are essential for tracking the origin of traffic and sales, critical for determining your commissions. The process involves selecting specific products to promote, generating a unique link through the affiliate platform, and possibly customizing it to track different campaigns. Effective link tracking allows you to monitor which strategies yield the best results, enabling you to fine-tune your efforts for greater efficiency. Understanding and utilizing these aspects ensures your affiliate marketing campaigns are targeted and optimized for maximum profitability. Effectively integrating affiliate links into your content is vital for maintaining audience trust while monetizing your digital platforms. When embedding links in blog posts, ensure they flow naturally with informative and relevant content. In videos, mention the products verbally and include links in the description, guiding viewers on their benefits and uses. For social media, use engaging posts and stories to subtly include affiliate links, always being transparent about the nature of these links. The key is to provide genuine value, making the promotion seamless, and maintaining the trust and engagement of your followers. Promoting your affiliate offers effectively involves utilizing multiple channels and strategies to maximize reach and engagement. Email marketing can be highly effective. Segment your audience and tailor the content to suit their interests, including affiliate links in newsletters that provide value beyond just selling. Social media offers a dynamic platform for promotion. Use captivating images, engaging posts, and even paid advertisements to direct traffic to your affiliated products. Additionally, creating dedicated content, such as reviews or tutorials, can help in detailing product benefits, thereby inspiring confidence and driving purchases through your affiliate links. Analyzing and optimizing your affiliate campaign is crucial for maximizing its effectiveness. Start by examining the performance data provided by your affiliate platform, focusing on metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings per click. Identify the high-performing strategies and elements that may need improvement. Use A/B testing to experiment with different approaches in your content and marketing tactics to see what resonates most with your audience. Continuously refine your strategies based on this analytical feedback to enhance engagement, increase conversions, and ultimately boost your earnings from the affiliate campaign.